Hi, John.
Hello, Candy. How are you?
I'm good. We're 2026 Work Truck Week in Indianapolis, and I'm with John. We're in this big, excellent, nice JB Poindexter booth, and just wanted to catch up and see what you're looking forward to, John. I know there's been a lot going on. You had the ambulance division, and just want to see what you're looking forward to. What's your priorities?
Well, that's a fine question. It has about 11 parts to it. I'll do my very best to try to answer at least some of them. Our theme this year is past proven, future driven. That is a theme that we actually believe. It's not just a slogan selected for the time being for the show. We believe that we've put our years in improving ourselves in the market with our customers and vendors, and certainly our team members. And now we're looking to the future. And this year, in our 6 of 7 divisions in our corporation, we have a new feature, an introduction in each and every one of them.
Excellent, because I know there's been doing some rebranding through the year, so this is very exciting to see.
Well, it's certainly exciting to us. Let's hope others share that enthusiasm.
Yeah, for fleets maybe out there, what would be like the biggest thing you would want them to know?
Well, I'd say the most important thing is that we now have the most platform space in the entire show. And it's rather crowded, as you can see. It's not as though we have a couple of vehicles parked in the middle of a parking lot to stroll by. There's plenty to see and to do here. The most important thing is our new ambulance division, as you said, Demers, Braun, Crestline, and Medics. We call it, for the time being, DBCM. Not a very original name, but one that will do for a while. We expect to rename the company this year. It'll be a much more indicative name that addresses the high reliability, the faultless service requirements of the ambulance community.
Yes, thank you, John. I just want to say thanks for all that you bring to the industry and all your members and the empowerment that you give your team. It shows every day, but when we get here in Indianapolis, you can really see it shine bright.
Well, thank you. For many years, we had separate locations on the floor, and you'd walk around, you'd see the name, but no one connected the dots. And then about 4 years ago, we came together with all of our brands, of which there are 6 here today, and those 6 are rather a wide range of capabilities in our markets. In fact, I would dare say that we may offer, outside the large OEMs, more breadth of products than nearly all or perhaps all of our competitors.
Yes, I like that, because you are right. It has been scattered, and when it's here, you can, whatever you're in, right? Whatever industry that you're in, there's something here for you.
Well, the big deal for us this year, Candy, is DBCM. It is one of the 2 largest of the ambulance manufacturers in North America. We have the great majority of the Canadian market and a good-sized share of the U.S. market. And it's our ambition to grow the company and to make it an undisputed leader at some point in time in the future, just as most of our other businesses are in their fields. Every one of our companies, except the smallest, is a company which is number 1, or in one case, number 2 in its industry, with the largest market share and the greatest breadth of service to our customers.
I love that. Thank you.